Hi everybody. I've been asked many times about where and how to photograph barred owls. In this short video, I am going to share with you a couple of tips to help you maximize your chances to spot a barred owl. Please bear in mind that these tips only apply to barred owls. Other owl species like great horned owls and screech owls are different in terms of habits and habitats. Number 1. When in a park, try to stay as close to water as possible. If there is a body of water like a stream, as in my neck of the woods, walk slowly. I really mean slowly. Basically baby steps. Squirrels, when angry, are very helpful in giving away the presence of a barred owl. I usually follow their gaze. They are really a huge help when it comes to spotting barred owls. Sometimes it is a false alarm though. Usually the culprit is a predator anyway, a fox or a hawk. Also, chickadees, tufted titmice, blue jays going berserk is a telltale of maybe a barred owl is in the neighborhood. Here you need to browse the trees where the sound is coming from. Usually barred owls prefer to perch smack in the middle of trees. Bogs are their favorite spots where crayfish abound. Patience is absolutely key here. When I started taking pictures of birds 12 years ago, it took me 6 months to spot my first owl. 2 years later, I knew their exact spots everywhere in the park. Number 2. When photographing these beautiful birds, keep in mind that barred owls do have a personal space. I usually keep 20 yards distance between me and the barred owls. Last, from personal experience, barred owls tend to be more active in the evenings, which makes sense. They are night birds. They spend most of the day dozing off to get ready for the night. All the footage in this video is taken between 5 and 8 p.m. I hope this helps, and keep photographing them beautiful owls. Cheers everyone, and see you in the next video.